Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, so it's the morning time. I just worked out. I know you can't tell, it's like whatever, right? But I'm gonna show you how to make my morning smoothie. Super easy. Again, we're gonna add in a cup of ice to a cup of almond milk, okay? 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and that gives it just a really nice creaminess in there. Now for some sweetness, I'm gonna add in 4 dates. Now that may seem like a lot, but this recipe is for two shakes, okay? And then we're gonna add in a banana. So I call it like a banana almond butter date smoothie. And so I said I worked out, didn't I? So we're gonna add a scoop of powder in there. And we're just gonna pop this on and just let it go. I'm gonna hit it to smoothie, just let it go. All right, that looks good, or it sounds good. So I got my little glass here. Give it a little taste. It's literally like a scoop of ice cream in your mouth. Like the dates really give it just this nice sweetness without making it too sweet or like really sugary. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon, guys.